Cooking verbs. Add. He adds a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor of the dish. Bake. It smells good in the kitchen because I'm baking a cake. Barbecue. He is barbecuing some sausages for dinner. Blend. You can blend fruits to make your own smoothie. Boil. Water is boiling. Break. Break the eggs into a glass bowl. Broil. Broil the steak until it is cooked. Carve. Who is going to carve the Thanksgiving turkey? Chop. I chop the onions into small pieces for the stir-fry. Combine. Baby, can you combine the flour, sugar, and butter to make the dough? Cook. My sister is cooking lunch. Cool. Let the cake cool down before frosting it. Cover. Cover the pot with a lid. Cut. He cuts the meat into little pieces. Decorate. She is decorating the cake with colorful icing and sprinkles. Dice. Dice the onions and add them to the soup for extra flavor. Dip. I often dip the chicken nuggets into the barbecue sauce for extra flavor. Drain. Drain the water from the pot of spaghetti. Flip. He is flipping pancakes. Freeze. Freeze the leftover fruits to make smoothies later. Fry. I fried some bacon and eggs for breakfast. Grate. Grate the carrots for a fresh and crunchy salad topping. Grease. Grease the baking pan with butter or cooking spray to prevent sticking. Grill. We grilled chicken for dinner yesterday. Heat. Heat the soup on the stove until it's nice and hot. Knead. Knead the dough for the pizza base. Layer. After baking the cake, we need to layer it with frosting. Light. Light the candles on the birthday cake for a special celebration. Mash. Mash the potatoes with butter and milk until they're creamy. Measure. You can measure water by measuring cup. Melt. Butter is melting into frying pan. Microwave. Microwave the popcorn for a quick and delicious snack. Mix. Mix the flour, sugar, and eggs together until well combined. Open. He is helping me open the can of tomatoes. Peel. Peel the apples before slicing them for the pie. Pour. I pour the milk into the bowl and whisk it with the eggs. Prepare. She is preparing all ingredients before cooking. Put. Put the dishes away in the cupboard after you finish washing them. Refrigerate. Refrigerate the dough for an hour before baking the cookies. Remove. He removes the bones from the fish before serving it. Rinse. Rinse the lettuce leaves under cold water to remove any dirt. Roast. My mom is roasting duck in front of the house. Roll. Roll the dough into a ball and flatten it with a rolling pin. Sauté. I sauté the mushrooms in olive oil. Scramble. Scramble the eggs in a pan with a little bit of butter. Simmer. Simmer the tomato sauce on low heat, stirring occasionally. Sharpen. Sharpen your knife before you start chopping the vegetables. Sift. He sifts the flour and cocoa powder to remove any lumps in the batter. Sip. I like to sip on a hot cup of tea in the morning. Slice. Slice the tomatoes thinly for a fresh and juicy salad. Spread. He spreads some butter on the toast for a delicious breakfast treat. Sprinkle. Sprinkle some fresh herbs over the dish for a burst of flavor. Squeeze. Squeeze the juice from 3 lemons. Steam. Steam the dumplings until they are cooked through and tender. Serve. The people are being served dinner in the restaurant. Stir. Stir the soup occasionally to ensure even heating and prevent sticking. Stir-fry. I'm going to stir-fry these vegetables into a hot wok for a quick healthy meal. Taste. She is tasting the soup. Tenderize. I think we should tenderize meat, then marinating it in a mixture of vinegar and spices. Toast. Toast the bread until it turns a golden brown color. Top. Top the pizza with fresh basil leaves and grated Parmesan cheese. Toss. Toss the salad with the dressing right before serving. Wash. She washes the lettuce leaves under cold water to remove any dirt or grit. Weigh. Please use a kitchen scale to weigh all of ingredients. Whisk. I whisk the eggs and milk together for a fluffy omelette. Uncork. They uncork the bottle of champagne to celebrate a special occasion.
Thanks for watching.